I fill the quiet with distractions. I fill the space with noise. I told myself I'd be okay, just making my own choice. I reached for comfort, reached for control, reached for what I knew. But everything I leaned upon let go when I needed truth. I chased what promised peace, but peace never stayed. Nothing satisfies like you. Nothing fills my heart like you. I try to fill the empty space, but nothing satisfies like you. Every substitute fell through. Nothing satisfies like you. Oh, I replaced your voice with other voices. Called it freedom, called it growth. But every time the noise went quiet, I felt how fragile hope can be. I put my trust in lesser things, temporary truth. They promised more than they could give. Only you came through. I don't want what fades away. I want what's real. Nothing satisfies like you. Nothing fills my heart like you. I tried to fill the empty space, but nothing satisfies like you. Every substitute fell through. Nothing satisfies like you. Yeah, I don't need another answer. I don't need another way. I don't need another savior. Jesus, you can stay. Take the place of everything. I lay it all back down. Every idol, every name. Jesus, you're enough. Nothing satisfies like you. Nothing loves me like you do. Stop replacing what I need, and I remembered what is true. I won't trade you for anything. Nothing satisfies like you. Nothing satisfies like you, Jesus.